Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Are you ready to learn something amazing? Are you ready to create stunning animation story videos using free AI tools? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process, from crafting your story to publishing a professional animation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, this tutorial has everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Crafting the story. Start with a rough outline of your story. Use ChatGPT to polish and enhance your script. Divide the story into 10 scenes, or as many as you like. Write detailed image prompts for each scene of story. Generating image prompts. Use ChatGPT to create detailed image prompts for each scene. Save the character appearance prompts for consistency. Step 2. Creating images. Open Leonardo AI and use the Phoenix 0.9 model. Copy and paste the prompts into Leonardo AI and generate high-quality images for each scene. After creating image, download it to your computer folder. Step 3. Converting images to videos. Use converting images to videos. AItools to convert images into video scenes quickly. Generate smooth and visually appealing transitions. Describing the visuals in a way that fits an animated video. Ensure the main character's appearance remains consistent throughout the story. Step 4. Editing with CapCut. Import all video clips into CapCut. Add transitions, sound effects, background music, and text to refine your animation. Adding voiceovers with 11 Labs. Write a script and generate professional voiceovers using 11 Labs. Sync the voiceover with your video in CapCut for a polished final product. Tools and AI platforms used ChatGPT, story polishing and scene breakdown, Leonardo AI, image creation, Pixverse AI, image-to-video conversion, CapCut, video editing, 11 Labs, voiceovers. Before you jump into today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our growing community of amazing viewers just like you. And tap the bell icon right next to it so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Trust me, you don't want to miss all the exciting content we've got planned just for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I am very grateful to subscribe for my channel.